Today is Thursday, January 6th, and I just decided to make a day in my life vlog because this week is my last week that I get 3 days off, because next week I'm gonna start with my third job, so I'm gonna be there half day. I work in the hospital Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, and then I have the Pulse Run, which is a skilled nursing facility, every Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I'm usually off. I chose those days to be off because my husband is off Wednesdays and Thursdays. But I feel like 3 days off makes me really bored, and if I'm bored, I shop a lot. So I just decided to get a third job, and yeah, I'm gonna start next week. So it's like 8 a.m. to 11:30 in the morning, which is not bad because I still get to relax and rest in the afternoon. So yeah, this is my last week, so I'm trying to enjoy it. I'm trying to pamper myself. So today we are going to a brow shop. I'm gonna get my eyelashes done. This is closer to me because the last time that I had my eyelashes done, it's in Center City, like close there, and I don't drive yet, and my husband doesn't want to drive the city, so she was referred to me by my colleague in Pulse Run. So yeah, we'll try it there. I was just been using Glamnetic for the past 3 months. I think I got this first week of October, and then I just use it. It's not really that bad, like it stays for a long time using this magnetic eyeliner, but I just like extensions better because it's just there, and you know, you don't need to worry about your lashes like falling off like in the middle of your shift. So yep, I'll see you guys there. Guys, as you can see, really makes a difference in my face. So right now I'm going to Mr. Wish to grab some milk tea because milk tea is late. So see you. So right now guys, I'm going to the Stefano's Hairstyling. Michael has always been my hairstylist since I got here, so I just want to cut my hair because he always refused to color my hair. He's always saying that I have good hair and I don't want to destroy it. So basically I'm just here for a haircut. So here we are. Hi guys, so I'm with Michael, my hairstylist. So if you live in Philly, check this place. I can't convince him to color my hair. He doesn't want the money, he just likes my hair so much. So yep guys, this ends my pamper for today. So if you're wondering how much is the eyelashes extensions here in Philly, guys, so for the hybrid, it's kind of like in between classic and the full. It's $160, so I get refills every 2 to 3 weeks, which is like $75 to $85. So yup, it's literally 10,000 pesos because I paid 160 plus $20 tip. So trust me guys, it's not cheap at all. So that's why you gotta like work here in order to afford pampering yourself. And yup, next week I'm gonna go back in there and get my brows done. So that's like the ombre brows, the microblading one, which is $300. And then after 6 weeks, you go back for a touch-up, which is like $100. So basically $400 in total plus tip.
So Canada Goose is one of the brands that really don't go on sale, but I've heard that this brand is really good too. So they were 40% off. So I decided to try it, and yep, let's open this one out. So it's like moose knuckles right here. I got this color because my Canada Goose Parka is already blacked, and I got the furry one. So it's so soft. This is the Moose Knuckles branding logos. It's like metal. Oh, that's kind of cool. I tried this on. It's really warm. And here, I'm not sure what it means, but it's like Canada versus US. It's probably like a joke that they're trying to like really compete. So I guess Canada wins when it comes to outerwear because they really make good quality coats. But yeah, it's a little bit on the pricey side like Lululemon. So the original price of this coat is $1,200 and it was like 40% off. So I got this for like $700, which is not really bad. Seeing and feeling the quality of this coat, I guess I pretty much had a good deal. And yep, so much for the coat. Let's go to the main event. My second Gucci bag, the Gucci Marmont. So you always get the green signature Gucci box. So it looks like this. And then of course you get your thank you card and a bag. It's not the dust bag, it's just like, I don't know, a freebie bag from Gucci. And then inside is another box, which is like really the main Gucci box. And then you open it up. So exciting. So inside is, of course, the nice Gucci paper. And this is the dust bag off the back. So it's like you have a free one, and then this is like the main dust bag. And inside the dust bag is Gucci Marmont. So, yep, look at this. It is so nice, and I just love the size. It's not too big, and it's not too small. And I have this personalized, so I put my initials in the bag. My initials. I didn't pick the gold color, I picked the silver one just because I think it's more classy to look at. So yeah, this is my second Gucci bag, guys, and I'm just so happy. And yep, here's my bag. And the next one that we are gonna unbox is my gift for my husband for his upcoming 28th birthday. So here we go, a new Yeezy 350 V2, and this one dropped, I think, December 24th, so it's really the latest. And this is the design. I really like this, but I feel like it's really for men's. So this is the Yeezy, guys. Really nice. And pretty much that's it for today's day in my life, guys. I hope you enjoy. It's typically just a boring day, but at least we got some exciting unboxing of my Gucci bag. So yep, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. See ya.